The Bosch E17 error code on a washing machine indicates that the water supply time has been exceeded. And this error may appear at the beginning of the cycle or just before rinsing. It signifies a shortage or lack of water supply to the tank, preventing the program from starting. Several common causes of this error code include a half-open or shut supply valve, which can prevent water from reaching the drum or result in low water pressure. A control module failure, potentially due to burnt elements or wiring issues between the unit, pressure switch, and intake valve, can also cause this error. Additionally, a faulty pressure switch can provide incorrect values or fail to function, disrupting the washing process. To resolve this issue, it is essential to check the supply valve by disconnecting the machine, turning off the water supply, and inspecting the water inlet hoses for blockages. The valve should be removed and checked for damage or clogs, and then restored to its original position. Inspecting the controller board for damaged contacts that may need soldering or replacing burnt elements is also crucial. If the control board has damaged wires, they should be replaced or the entire board should be changed if necessary. Finally, checking the pressure switch and replacing it if faulty is the only solution, as repairing it may not resolve the issue.